In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to stretch an image inside of Filmora. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Filmora like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the media file after you open up your timeline or your project. Then from here, you need to go down to import media and find your image that you eventually want to stretch out. Then from here, it should be looking something like this, where you can see that I have imported my image right here. Then from here, you need to drag and drop it into your timeline, like so. Now from here, you need to go over to menu over here and click switching mouse status and click select. You can also press V on your keyboard for quicker assessment. Then from here, you need to select the clip and go over to the end or the start of the clip, and you will see this little icon over here. Then from here, you need to drag, and you can drag it as long as you want, like so. And that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!